In the political system, in the system of law, there is important role of sovereignty. You might be knowing what is sovereignty. Sovereignty means the power of the state. And it is presumed that the country governments are the sovereign. The government of India is sovereign. The government of Pakistan is sovereign. Because today there are a lot of unjust laws, and also those laws are still in practice, looking the wrong concept of the God. If you wish to reform the laws of the country level and of international level, you will have to change the concept of the God. Presently, it is presumed that all the countries are sovereign. What is the meaning of sovereign? Sovereign means most powerful. From where this word is taken? The source of this word is the religious scriptures, religious books in the Bible, in the Quran, in the Vedas, in many other books. It is said that the God is sovereign. God is most powerful. It can do anything, but nobody can even touch to God. God is not bound to follow others, but everybody is bound to follow the God. The God is supreme. The God is omniscient. The God is omnipresent. The God is perpetual. The God is superpower. And nobody can supersede the God. But God can supersede everybody, everything. The God is creator of the earth, creator of the moon, creator of the sun, creator of the galaxy, and creator of the universe. This is presumed about the God. But now in the present age, maximum things are proved wrong and false. You might be knowing the very famous physicist of the world, Mr. Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was a scientist. He proved that the earth is not made by the God. He proved that the moon and sun is not made by the God. He proved that the universe and galaxy is not made by the God. He given the rule, he given the laws of the nature by which the universe is created. It means it was wrong conception that there was a God who made the universe. It proved wrong. If one thing is proved wrong, then what will happen with other things? Whether the God is super power, whether the God is really sovereign, whether the God is perpetual, which was existing in past, which is existing in present, and when the God will not be here, even then the God will exist, perpetual. Whether it is correct or it is also wrong. If God has not created the universe, it is finally established by the Stephen Hawking. Then what will happen with other properties of the God? And if the God is not sovereign, if God has not made the universe, if the God has not made the earth, if the God has not made this moon and sun, then how can we confirm that the God has made the man? How can we say by confidence that the God is supreme, the God is super, the God is sovereign? How can we say? But the God is sovereign, it was assumed and presumed from very long time in the history. And that presumption was imported into the politics. The religious presumption, the God is supreme, the God is sovereign, the same perception was imported from religion to politics. And in the same manner, it was said that the king is sovereign. The king is super. The king is supreme. The king can give birth to any citizen and king can kill the citizen. The life and death are in the hands of the king. Earlier to this, same remarks were made in connection to God, that the God is the creator of the life and God regulate the life, and also God give the punishment of the death. Those properties of the God were connected with the king. And it is said that the life of the citizens are in the hands of the king. It is king who can allow you to live, and it is king who can eliminate your life anytime. I mean, you have no plea to protect your life. That is why in the history, the kings awarded the punishment of the life sentence and the death to many people. And there were no option to protect the people of their lives. So, the concept of the God is itself under question and questionable. If the concept of the God is questionable, then how the concept of the sovereignty of the state is final? It is not possible. That is why if we will not correct the definition of the God, then correction in sovereignty of the state cannot be possible. Both are connected mutually. If God is sovereign, then state is sovereign. It means the state is equivalent to God. The God has created the state. Our state is itself God. If we will not find out this answer of these questions, we will not be able to evolve a judicious political and economic order, which is the need of the hour. So, only believing in the God is not sufficient. Knowing the God is required. Belief in the God is not sufficient. Knowledge of the God is required. That is why the theist people who believe in the God are not competent and educated people in terms of the religion and also in terms of the spiritualism. And those who have rejected the God, that God does not exist, the atheists who are called atheists, they are also ignorant people. They don't know God and they have rejected the existence of the God. And the theist people also don't know the God but accepted the God is there. They don't know Bharat Gandhi, Vishwatma Bharat Gandhi, but they have accepted that Bharat Gandhi is there. And some theist people have rejected that there is no Bharat Gandhi. Both are equal. The theist and atheist both are equal. Both don't know about the God. The theist has accepted the God without knowing the God, and the atheist has rejected the God without knowing the God. Both are equal. So, we will have to choose another path. We should try to find out that what is God. If we will try to find out the knowledge about the God, then finally in last we will conclude that whether the God exists or not. But prima facie, just by the consultancy of my parents, and just for the consultancy of my ancestors, and just for the consultancy of my religious preachers, the God cannot be accepted. Because there is no guarantee that my parents was much educated to know the God. And it was not confirmed that my ancestors and the preachers of the religion were having knowledge of the God. They might be only presuming in the imagination. That is why we must travel in the path of knowing the God. For the testing this knowledge, I would like to show some videos and some information, some inferences you will draw automatically.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे.
This is the small child. When chanting starts the Rama Rama Krishna Krishna, he start to enjoy. And when chanting stops, then he start to weep. It means the small boy, small child know about the God. He has knowledge about the God. You can say that I am grown up man, then I know the God. That is why I am going to church for the prayer and whatever. You are intelligent man. You might be intelligent man. It is not confirmed that you are intelligent. It is yet to be confirmed that you are intelligent or not. But this child is intelligent enough. He knows the Hare Ram, Hare Krishna. He knows who is Ram, who is Krishna. He knows. But he is enjoying. Why it is happening? There is a recording system. When you start your phone in the mode of recording, whatever the voice comes, the phone records and it saves in the audio file. And you can listen your audio file anytime. Similarly, in your ancestors' life, your grandmother, your grandfather, your mother, your father, all these ancestors' family, if any chanting was there of the prayer, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, might be chanted by the grandfather and grandmother of the child. And that was recorded, and when this child took birth, the recording of the chip is transferred in this child. It is just recording. Recording is available in the brain. When outside the same voice is coming from the environment, the brain is connecting the matching voice and enjoying the child. So, you should not conclude that there is Ram, there was Krishna. The style of this child is not evidence of the existence of Rama and existence of Krishna. It is the evidence of the genetic recording, where this genetic recording chips lives. It is the neuron. It is called cell of our body, neuron. Especially here is the nucleus, axon, impulses travel here, and dendrites are here. This cell contains and store the audio and visual footages. It is in billions number in human body, billions. What you think, what you speak, what you listen, what you see by the eyes is stored. Your eyes are working like camera. Your ears are working like sound system. And everything, every time is recorded in your brain and stored at proper place. If the same training you will listen many times, in 1,000 times in your life, then same training will travel in your child automatically. Similarly, it happened. What is this? This is the symbol of Hinduism. This symbol was watched and looked millions of the time by one man. When millions of time you watch this one symbol, that symbol converted into image and saved into your neuron. When you will get birth to a child, the symbol transfers in your child through the genetic ways. And when child will take birth, and when the child will see this symbol, it is already stored in the neurons. He will connect and he will pay so. He will be very grateful and very glad to see this symbol. And in the Muslim family, another symbol is used. In Muslim family, one person see this symbol millions of times, and the same symbol converts into image and store into the neurons, and when he give the birth to child, it converts into brain, and backbones and goes in the womb of the woman. So it is the recording system. It does not mean that it is connected with Allah, Mia. Similarly, many symbols are used in various religions. Christians use this symbol, Jews use this symbol, Buddha use this symbol. A lot of symbols are used by the various believers of the religions. It does not mean that these symbols are connected with the God. It means only that this is the base of the faith and belief. And this faith and belief is germinated due to the audio video recording system and transfer system. What is this? Potato. How many potatoes are here? 3. You said that it is potato. When I ask the same question in Assam, nobody says that it is potato. They say that it is aloo. And when I give training in Mumbai, I ask the people that what is this? The same question I ask, the reply is different. They say that, sir, this is batata. Neither it is aloo, nor it is potato, it is batata. The 3 blind people entered into the 5-star hotel of the Delhi. One was from Nagaland, one was from Assam, and one was from Mumbai. And they booked the dinner, and the servicemen give a plate, 3 plates to 3 people, and they started to eat. And one man of Nagaland said, "Oh, this is vegetable of potato." Then the Assamese blind saying, no, it is the vegetable of aloo. And the third of the Maharashtra, he is saying that, oh no, it is the vegetable of the batata. Then the Nagaland blind said, I am confirmed that this vegetable is made by the potato. And the Assamese people again reiterated, you both are wrong. This vegetable is made by the aloo. And the Maharashtrian blind said, you both are wrong. This is vegetable neither made by aloo nor made by the potato. It is the vegetable of the batata. Finally, the 3 blind started to quarrel and started to fighting each other, and the food gone away. How it happened? It happened because 3 words are used for one fact, one existence. Similarly, the same perception of the God is used in Islam as Allah. And the same is used in the Hindus as Bhagwan. And the same is used in the Christian Yehovah. The same thing is used, but many words are given to indicate one thing. And after using many words for one thing, the believers started to quarreling and fighting, and they committed the war and riots in the history. The mystery lies in the brain. It means everything is connected with the recording system. What is recorded in our ancestors' life is inherited by us. And we are chanting the same thing like parrots. And we are asking that my finding is correct. It is the vegetable made by the potato. It is the vegetable made by the aloo. And we are ready to fight each other. I am showing you another video.
थोड़ी मौत तक सब्र कर लो, शराब से तौबा कर लो। मेरा रब कहता है मैं तुम्हें अपने हाथों से शराब पिलाऊंगा। अल्लाह ने जन्नत में शराब के 3 दर्जे बताए हैं। इन्नल अबरार यशरबून मिन कैसिन कान मिजाजुहा काफूरा। जन्नती लोग खुद डाल के पी रहे हैं, ये नीचे लो लेवल है। एक मिडिल क्लास है, युस्कौन फीहा कैसन कान मिजाजुहा जंजबीला। उन्हें पिला रहे होंगे नौकर हूर बीवी फरिश्ते, उनको पिला रहे होंगे। एक अपर क्लास है, वीवीआईपीज, वहां वसखाहुम रब्बुहुम शराबन तहूरा, वहां अल्लाह खुद पिला रहा हो, अल्लाह पिलाएगा।
What he is saying? That when you will die, you will go in the assembly of God. The name is given Allah, not God, not Jehovah, not Bhagwan. And what will happen there? There will be the bottles of the wine. And what will happen? If your activities was good in the life, then wine will be given you, very best quality wine to take and enjoy. And if your activities in life was better, then what will happen? He is saying, I am not saying. He is referring the Quran. He is saying, then all the beautiful ladies and girls will come with the wine glass and they will offer you to drink and enjoy. If your work in the life will be the best, then what will happen? Then Allah Mia will come himself and a glass of the wine will be in his hands and Allah Mia will offer the best quality of the wine to you to drink and enjoy. There is no logic. Parrots. The similar events is happening in all the religions. Some people are confirming that there is God and God made all these things. The two children connected in one body. It is similar, sometimes two banana connects in one body. That is the rules of the genes. It was not known by the religious preachers. So they refer the scenes like that abnormal child and they say that this is the creation of the God. Is the God is responsible in this process? This is the miracle of the DNA. There is rule of the zoology and the medical science has researched all these rules. So what is the jurisdiction of the God? If everything is known that it is happening by this way, it is happening by this way, even the earth is not made by the God, sun is not made by the God, even the universe is not made by the God, then what is made by the God? Whether the God exists or not, it is the big question. If God is questionable, then how the poverty is maintained in the name of God? How the discrimination, why the inequality is maintained in the name of the existence of the God and in the name of the sovereignty of the God and sovereignty of the state. That is why these questions can be answered if you will decide to rethink over the God. All the belief of the God is related with the recording. It is not the evidence of the existence of the God. And why the God was needed? When the first time, very early time, when the flood came and the natural disaster came, then the intelligent people started to thinking the reason behind it. And they imagined that there is some power is there who is flushing the water and creating the flood, who is sparking the light of the electric of the sky. Some power is there who is responsible for the earthquake. So the God was imagined looking the charismatic things. It is total imagination. But now, today, whether the God does not exist, what we should believe, what Vishwatma says, what is my opinion on the God? I believe that there is the existence of the God. But God does not live in the church. God does not live in the mosque and temples and gurdwaras. The God is the collective brain of human being. We are working like a cell of common body. all the people of the earth, all the human beings of the earth are connected by one body as a cell. Similarly, the mobile phone is connected by one tower. And the connection between the tower and mobile is not visible. Mobile is connected by the tower and tower is connected by the satellite. But neither the connection of the mobile with tower is visible, nor the connection of the tower with satellite is visible. Both are invisible. Similarly, a wave is also connecting each other, but that wave is not visible. So, we are the mobile sets. The population of the earth is 650 crores population is 650 crore mobile sets. And the connecting waves, the signals are the God. This is new definition of the God. If we will research that whether it is really God, then you will find you can get reply of all the questions connected to God. Now this God is sovereign? Yes, it is sovereign. The accumulated energy of the brain of 650 crores people is really sovereign. Brain of Bharat Gandhi, brain of Madam, brain of yours, brain of all the presidents of all the countries, brain of the prime ministers of all the countries, brain of all the scientists, brain of all the administrative officers, brain of all the businessmen of the world is really powerful and really super. But it is collectively powerful, not individually. And similarly, it is perpetual also. It was existing in past, it is existing in present, and also in future. It means God is there. God exists, but God did not make the earth. God did not make the universe. It means Stephen Hawking was correct. The findings of Stephen Hawking was exactly 100% correct. God exists, but God never made the universe. God exists, but God never lives in the churches, never lives in the mosques and temples. God is the name, a collective name of society, global society. God is the collective name of 650 crores people of this earth. So, the God is finally discovered. Now in future, this question will be eliminated whether the God exists or God not exists. By the reply of this question, by the discovery of the new God, the atheist and theist both are agree.